In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Fortnite Zero Build, and I'm going to be giving you tips for beginners. So let's get straight into the video. So there's no building, just pure strategy in the game, and you need to be the last one standing. What you need to do is land smart. The first thing is going to be landing at a very less crowded spot and looting as quickly as possible, and also keeping an eye out on the surrounding. The first thing you want to do is rotate early because people rotate late. So if you rotate early, you will avoid fights. You can also focus on weapons, ammos, heals, and shields, and then upgrade your weapons. So do not forget the utility items as well, like shields and many more. Once you've done that, keep an eye on the stone circle on your minimap and rotate early, as I already mentioned, in order to go ahead and take the high ground. You can also use cars if the zone is very far. Using a cover or high ground is going to be the best bet for you because high ground gives you an advantage, and do not stand in the open. Also, play your loadout, so carry a balanced loadout and adapt to your playstyle. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.